Today we have true dinosaur truck Terex 4066 with the Deutz air-cooled diesel under the hood. Guys, and this one actually was broken. We got it fixed. I will show you what's happened. Let's get started. Guys, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. Another beautiful day in the valley, and let's take a look what's happened to this big boy. Look at that. Propeller shaft just broke off. What happened? Old truck was pushed too hard under the load, turned it to the maximum, and this original factory shaft broke off. That's what's happened. But we're going to fix it. Let's start taking everything apart and remove that shaft from the transmission. It's still attached, only one cap holding it. Let's remove those bolts, and we're lucky we have no broken bolts. Okay, aka drive shaft, propeller shaft is out. As you can see, that cap seal is still there, and we have to undo the bottom cap and remove that on the side of the transmission, and on the trailer side as well. We have two caps. They're still bolted to the yoke and no damage to the yoke, and we're lucky we have everything's in place and we don't have any broken bolts, which is going to be difficult to extract. Okay, let's remove what's left, and what came out pretty easy. And as you can see, this cap was trashed. No bearing left. Bolt is slightly bent, and head of that bolt is smashed by that shaft. And we have more caps. They even look more beat up. The pieces, as you can see, it broke off completely. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. Look at that bolt, it's bent. Okay, but one of the good things, we don't have any damage to the yoke. Look around the shaft area and all that beat up around. Well, that's how that happened. Well, as I said, it's not that difficult to fix because we just have to buy new U-joints, new bolts, put all together, inspect the geometry of the shaft, and yeah, and put a new assembled used shaft with the new U-joints back in place. Please support this video with your like. Very appreciated that. This is not much a repair video, just what happened. I have another junky one that's not good, and I decided to use my original one and just will put new U-joints, new bolts, and grease it, and will be good to go. And yeah, and voila, check it out. Everything's assembled, installed, torqued, and greased, and good to go. Yeah, simple with that. It took me a few hours to get everything done, and everything works. And it has been almost a year when I'm doing editing and this truck in motion. Okay, as you can see, everything's in place, and let's get back to business. And air-cooled Deutz diesel adds engine is monster. Old school basic individual cylinder heads, doesn't need to run any coolant, almost never overheats if we keep it clean. And let's go and check it out. Okay, everything's greased, everything's in place, and we're working. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. If you like it, thumbs up, and take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.